The windshield wipers on your Hyundai are designed to clean the windshield to provide excellent visibility. But over time, they will wear and may not perform adequately. Hyundai recommends that you have the wiper blades replaced at your Hyundai dealership. However, should you choose to replace them yourself, here are the steps to do so. First, be sure to purchase genuine Hyundai replacement wiper blades. Next, determine which type of wiper design you have. Most older Hyundai vehicles have a conventional wiper design. For these, you can gently lift up the wiper arms to access the blades. Newer Hyundai models have what is called a hidden wiper design, which cannot be lifted when in the resting position. These models require you to put the wiper arms in the park position to access them. To access the wiper park position, first determine where the mist position is on your windshield wiper lever. Many models require you to press the lever up for the mist position, but most newer Hyundai models require you to press the lever down for the mist position. Determine the correct position for your model. Next, turn off your vehicle. Then, within 20 seconds, press and hold the wiper lever in the mist position for around 2 seconds. The wiper arms will automatically move to the park position. Once in the park position, the wiper arms can be lifted off the windshield. Some wiper blades have a clip on top that secures them to the arm. For those vehicles, first lift up the wiper blade clip, then lift up the wiper blade. Once the blade is lifted off the windshield, angle it and remove it from the arm. Other blades are secured by a lock underneath the wiper arm. To remove these, lift the arm and blade, and then press down on the lock. While pushing the lock, pull down on the wiper blade, then remove it from the arm. To place new blades on the arm, fit the new blade on the arm and pull it up into the fitting. Wipers using a lock will automatically lock once the blade is securely in place. Wipers using a clip will need the clip to be secured manually once the blade is securely in place. Once installed, gently lower the wipers back down onto the windshield. Then, with the vehicle in on or accessory, move the wiper control stalk to any position to return the wipers to their hidden position. For more information on these and other features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.